Hello, stargazers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of setting up a telescope for stargazing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced astronomer, this video will be helpful for you. So, let's get started. First, unbox your telescope carefully. Make sure all the parts are present as per the manual. Now, let's assemble the telescope. Start by setting up the tripod. Make sure it's stable and level. Next, attach the telescope tube to the mount. Tighten the screws, but don't overdo it. Now, it's time to attach the eyepiece. Start with the lowest power eyepiece. It's the one with the highest number written on it. Next, we align the finder scope during the day. Point your telescope at a distant object and center it in the eyepiece. Then, without moving the telescope, adjust the finder scope until the same object is centered. Now, let's focus the telescope. Look through the eyepiece and adjust the focus knob until the image is sharp. Finally, point your telescope at the part of the sky you're interested in. Use a star chart or an app to help you find specific celestial objects. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the universe from your backyard. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you find this process a bit challenging at first. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at setting up your telescope. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, clear skies and happy stargazing.